morning to all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Paramount English Study with Rajan sir. Here I have brought here new topic, new video for you. This is the topic actually very interesting. So let's see here what is the topic of the day. Hello viewers, good morning to all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Paramount English Study with Rajan sir. Here we shall study here set number 16. So let's start. Question number 1. In which novel by Hemingway, Ernest Hemingway, does Santiago figure? आंसर इज द ओल्ड मैन एंड द सी. ये नावल आप जानते हैं ना, बहुत पॉपुलर रहा है. इसी नावल पे उनको पुलिट्जर प्राइज़ और नोबेल प्राइज़ भी मिला था. 1954 में इनको नोबेल प्राइज़ मिला था इसी बुक के लिए, नावल के लिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. व्हेन वाज अर्नेस्ट हेमिंगवे बॉर्न? आंसर इज 1899. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ब्रेट एस्ले इज़ द pivotal character of one of Hemingway's novel Find the Book. Answer is The Sun Also Rises. ये बुक आई थी 1927 में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. When did Hemingway receive Nobel Prize? आपको बताया है ना अभी को, 1954 में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Who wrote Man Without Women? 1927. A collection of short stories. Answer is Ernest Hemingway. Which among the following novels of Hemingway is set against the background of the Spanish Civil War? Answer is For Whom the Bell Tolls. Question number 7. Hemingway's Winter Takes Nothing is a short story collection. Question number 8. In which work Hemingway celebrated bullfighting? Answer is Death in the Afternoon. Question number 9. Who is the protagonist in Hemingway's The Sun Also Rises, 1927? Answer is Bret Eastley. Question number 10. Which of the following novels by Hemingway is based upon the theme of man's struggle against nature? Answer The Old Man and the Sea. Question number 11. Which novel of Hemingway won him the Nobel Prize for Literature? Answer is The Old Man and the Sea. Question number 12. When was William Faulkner born? Answer is 1897. Who encouraged Faulkner to write novels? Answer is S. Anderson. Question number 14. When did Faulkner's first novel Soldier's Pay appear? Answer is 1926. Next question. Who wrote The Sound and the Fury, 1929? 1929 में साउंड एंड द फरी आया था विलियम फाल्कनर का. आंसर इज विलियम फाल्कनर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. Which of the following novels by Faulkner appeared in 1930? Answer is As I Lay Dying. Question number 17. When did W. Faulkner receive Nobel Prize? इनको भी नोबेल प्राइज़ मिला था 1949 में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. What was the original title of Hemingway's novel The Sun Also Rises? Answer is Fiesta, Fiesta. Question number 19. What was the original title of Hemingway's last novel The Old Man and the Sea? Answer is The Sea in Being. Question number 20. When was Nissim Iski born? Answer is 1924. Question number 21. Who wrote Hyman in Darkness, 1976? Answer is Nissim Ejki. Question number 22. Ejki Hyman's in Darkness is a. Answer is poetry. Nissim Ejki collection of poetry A Time to Change appeared in 1952. Question number 24. Who said poetry is elusive? To write a poem is comparatively easy. Answer is Nissim Ejki. Question number 25. Who called Eskil a poet of the body and an endless explorer of the labyrinths of the minds? Answer is Linda Hess. Question number 26. When did Ejki collection of poems The Unfinished Man appear? And answer is 1960. Question number 27. Who wrote the exact name? 1965. Answer is Nissim Ejki. Who said the urban theme forms an important stream in Ejki's poetry? Answer is Rajiv Taranath, Meena Belappa, both, none of the above. Answer is both. राजू भी थे, राजू तारानाथ भी थे और मीना बलप्पा भी थी. Who said Ejki is a poet of the city Bombay? Answer is Linda Hess. Question number 30. Who wrote the famous poem Enterprise 1959? Answer is Nissim Iski. Question number 31. Where do these famous lines by Iskil appear? My mother only said, "Thank God the scorpion picked on me and spared my children." इस पोएम को आपने पढ़ा होगा. यह है कहाँ का? नाइट ऑफ द स्कॉर्पियन का. क्वेश्चन नंबर 32. हु रोट नल्ली ए कॉमेडी 1969? आंसर इज निस्सिम इस्की. क्वेश्चन नंबर 33. हु इज़ द प्रोटोगनिस्ट इन निस्सिम इस्की's प्ले मैरिज पोएम आ ट्रेजिक कॉमेडी? आंसर इज नरेश. क्वेश्चन नंबर 34. हु रोट द फेमस प्ले द स्लीप वॉकर्स? आंसर इज निस्सिम इस्की. क्वेश्चन नंबर 35. व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्लेज केम आउट इन द ईयर 1967? इसमें नल्ली दिया है, द स्लीप वॉकर दिया है, मैरिज पोएम दिया है, नन ऑफ द अबव. आंसर यहाँ होगा नन ऑफ द अबव. 1967 में इसमें कोई नहीं आया था. हु रोट द पोएम बैकग्राउंड कैजुअली? तो ये आंसर होगा निज़िम इस्की. हु रोट पोस्टर प्रेयर्स? आंसर इज निज़िम इस्की. नाइट ऑफ द स्कॉर्पियन इज ए पोएम बाय निज़िम इस्की पब्लिश्ड इन? ये किस में पब्लिश हुआ था? 60 पोएम्स में कि द अनफिनिश्ड मैन में, द एग्जैक्ट नेम में कि नन ऑफ द अबव में? तो आंसर विल बी द एग्जैक्ट नेम में ये पब्लिश हुआ था. नाइट ऑफ द स्कॉर्पियन जो है पोएम ये एग्जैक्ट नेम में पब्लिश हुआ था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 39. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पोएम इस्की कॉल्स हिमसेल्फ ए पोएट रास्कल क्लाउन? आंसर इज बैकग्राउंड कैजुअली. हु रोट द वेरी इंडियन पोएम इन इंडियन इंग्लिश? आंसर इज निज़िम इस्की. क्वेश्चन नंबर 41. हु रोट पाकिस्तान बिहेविंग लाइक दिस, चाइना बिहेविंग लाइक दैट, इट इज़ मेकिंग मी वेरी सैड, आई एम टेलिंग यू? आंसर इज निस्सिम इस्की. क्वेश्चन नंबर 42. हु एंटाइटल्ड एन एमर्सन रीडर 1965? आंसर इज निस्सिम इस्की. Iski's 60 poems appeared in? Answer is 1953. When was Mulk Raj Anand born? Answer is 1905. Who wrote the Lal Singh trilogy 1939 to 42? Answer is Mulk Raj Anand. Question number 46. Anand's first novel Untouchable was published in? ये तो जानते हैं 1935. Who is the protagonist in Anand's novel Untouchable 1935? Answer is Bhakha. Question number 48. Who is the protagonist in Anand's novel Coolie 1936? Answer is Munnu. Question number 49. Who wrote the preface to Untouchable? Answer is E.M. Forster. ये क्वेश्चन आ चुका है एग्जाम में. एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन 50. Who wrote the private life of an Indian prince 1953? Answer is Mulk Raj Anand. So we have completed here 50 questions in this set. So thanks for watching.